80% of the construction costs of a commercial vessel comes from human-centric systems. Crew quarters, lifeboats, provisions, medical stations. What if the crew didn't have to be on board? What if they could be here? Let me introduce you to the OctoPod. OctoPod is a cockpit for a remotely crewed vessel. This isn't just a science project we've been playing with. We are operating on the water today, and we've begun hosting customers to experience driving a vessel for themselves. This is the future, and it's here, right now. Anyone who's sailed for an extended period of time knows how challenging it can be on a mariner and their family. Imagine if mariners were able to accomplish their careers shoreside while improving their lifestyle and reducing costs to their company. This is why we built OctoPod, to enable companies and crew to ship smarter, safer, more reliably. We see autonomy as a tool for mariners, not a force that will replace them. We're building a technology that creates more jobs in the industry and greater productivity outputs. OctoPod, it serves as the command center for Fleetzero's autonomous and remote vessel operation system. From this station, a licensed captain can command a vessel from hundreds of miles away with full situational awareness, cameras, radar, AIS, propulsion telemetry, and environmental data, all in real time. OctoPod delivers a complete virtual bridge experience under monitored, safe, and controlled conditions. The captain sees everything they would see on board, and in many cases, much more. OctoPod is not a simulation. It is a hardened, purpose-built remote operations cockpit. Every input, every sensor feed, every command travels through a redundant, secure communications link. So when you sit down in this chair, you're driving the vessel. When the majority of human work goes virtual, the economics of the vessel changes entirely. No need for lifeboats, air conditioning, human-centric accommodations. The vessel is designed to accomplish the mission. New jobs are created on shore, operators unlock new value, and the lifestyle of mariners improves. Fleetzero's autonomy technology allows vessel operators to deliver cargo in conditions that crew cannot. Harsh weather, contested waterways like the Straits of Hormuz no longer impede operations. This can be done without risking lives. The cargo keeps moving, the crew stays safe. This is another step towards full shipping autonomy, and is ready now. If you want to explore where autonomy and remotely crewed systems fit in your fleet, let's talk today. Discover more at fleetzero.com. Fleetzero, the future of shipping.